C'est reparti? I'm Jean-Michel Ledru. I'm the director of the MSc in Entrepreneurship and Innovation, and I've created the incubator and accelerator of IDEC entrepreneurs. And I'm here to talk to you about what you can do to become an entrepreneur when you finish your M1 at IDEC. You've got different options if you want to become an entrepreneur. Firstly, in your gap year, you can spend 6 months working on a real project you want to undergo and try to create. You need for that to have a concrete project that you're going to submit to the Career Center and to the incubator. And then, if the project is real, you can work for 6 months on that project. Your second option arrives during your MSc. Whether you're going to decide to do an MSc in entrepreneurship or not, you can work on a project, and that's a real great moment to experiment, to test, to try something as you are a student. If you're within the MSc in Entrepreneurship and Innovation, you're going to receive special coaching within the program. But if you're not, the incubator is going to be there to nurture, coach and support your project during your MSc. If you were to test one of these ideas and experiment during your MSc, you can end up your studies creating your startup. It's what I've done the people who have created, for example, Pumpkin, the application that helps people to transfer money from one to one. There's another great moment to create your business is after your first 2 or 3 years of experience in a business. Why? For example, French students can claim unemployment benefits for 2 years when they create their business. You've as well managed to work in a startup or in a bigger group in order to gather some of the skills that you're going to use for your first experience as an entrepreneur. Few people think about entrepreneurship. How can you become an entrepreneur within a big group? Big groups really look forward to find ways to innovate, to create the future of their products. And a lot of them are creating within the group possibilities for people like you to become entrepreneurs. Entrepreneurs, that means you don't own the business, but you exactly do the same thing like an entrepreneur, creating the value proposition, the point of differentiation, new products, and you've got money to do it, which is an advantage as well. Here's the answer to one of the key questions. What skills do you need to have to become an entrepreneur? I've got a great answer for that. You can become an entrepreneur whatever you are, whatever skills you've got. You've got people that have got lots of studies that are great entrepreneurs. Some people who have done nothing who are great entrepreneurs as well. You need to have the willingness, the energy, the passion, and that's what's going to drive you to success. Think big, dream, and be yourself.
Hi guys, I'm Shana Ribinik, IDEC 2018. I started my own video production company a year ago, and today I'm the one making those videos for you. So if you feel like being an entrepreneur, just go for it.